Here's a little short video update on a short that we did in early spring on this same row. This is the round Dutch cabbage. And you can see how much it grew in just a few weeks. This is Little Jim romaine, and this is Butter Crunch, and the Napa cabbage, which is planted way too close together. And this is tropical giant cabbage with the kale, and more tropical giant cabbage, and our volunteer sunflowers that were small in the first video. And you can see how big that one's got in just a short period of time. And at the end of the row was the Texas candy onion. So you can see that they're loving the compost that they're planted in.